Here's the new pipe. Did you just cap off where it was leaking over here?
What's that?
Did you just cap off where it was leaking over here?
No, we completely abandoned it altogether.
Yeah, well, that's what I meant. That's what, sorry.
Yeah, we cut it over there at the house,
Oh, okay.
and didn't miss that at all. This is the replacement line.
Okay. So that'll just dry up and be done.
Yep, that line will still be in the ground, and that's it. No water going through it. So
Okay.
it's just an old pipe in the ground now. So I'm gonna cut this pipe right here, put a T section in,
Okay.
T off to this first horsey right here,
Okie doke.
and then continue on with the T up to the
There.
hose bib over there.
Great.
And Matt already welded whatever he was gonna do at the barn.
At the barn?
Yeah, he put it in copper over there and put the unit
I
strut.
already got to the water in,
Oh, okay.
but I'm gonna put a cap on it.
Okay, thank
Or a
you.
hose bib on it, actually. At least you can draw water from it until you put the water in there.
Thank you. At least it's not as hot today. I know it doesn't seem like it to you guys. Remember a couple weeks ago, around the 4th of July?
Yeah.
Oh man,
Yeah, lovely.
oh, it was.
Yep. Okay.
Hi, little lady. There. New valve. Oh, I see. Yeah, thanks. I was having to go get a rake all the time to turn it off and on. Yeah, don't let her bug you at all. Yeah. Pooh. Do you need extra set of hands?
I got it.
Oh.
Restech Plumbing, how can I help you? Yeah, Restech Plumbing, how can I help you? This is Matt. Stacy Green, how are you? Yeah. What company is it? Oh, really? So I can look them up online. I just kind of got my hands full right now, but I can definitely look them up online. Huh? SoCal Wraps, got it. Thank you, Stacy. All right, darling, bye. Usually Teflon tape does not go here.
Oh.
Yeah, but I gotta put some kind of cap on this so you can fill up the other water inside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Is there,
What's that?
is there any way you could possibly put that fan up somehow?
Do what?
Where that fan was?
Is there any way I can do what to it?
Put it
Put it
up
up?
again somehow, somewhere?
Yeah, I can put it up, but it's just gonna be a little bit higher.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. My,
Yeah.
my husband can't do anything right now. That's the only reason I'm,
Now, you know the fan was facing that out that way. It's blowing out that way, right?
you're kidding.
No. I'm wondering, I was like, why do they even have it here?
He probably wasn't paying attention when he put it in. You know how it does those honeydew things.
Yeah.
He's like, why do they have to have fans? And I said, because it gets so hot.
Yeah.
And it keeps the flies off of them. You're just a real pain, aren't you? I'm glad I'm in here and won't be bothering him.
I gotta find something else. Put a cap on there. That is not gonna work. All right.
Okay, you away.
Thank you.
What's her name? What is your job?
Yeah.
The new owner
Yeah.
wants to know
Oh yeah,